Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that Hey Siri not working on their iPhone after updated to the latest version of iOS. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart Hey Siri on iPhone. For that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, find and tap on Siri and search. Toggle off the Listen for Hey Siri switch and wait for about 50 seconds. Then turn it on again and check if Hey Siri is working properly or not. Solution 2. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 3. Reset network settings. To reset, launch the Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. At bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 4. Update iOS. To update, open the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Change dictation settings on iPhone. For that, navigate to Settings. Find and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Toggle off Enable Dictation. Now wait for a few seconds and toggle it back again. Solution 6. Clean the microphone. Perhaps you find Siri not responding because it can't hear you properly. Ensure that nothing is blocking the microphone of your iPhone or iPad. Clean off any dirt using cotton swabs. If you have isopropyl alcohol, it saves to use a bit on the cotton swab to loosen any debris that may be blocking the microphone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.